Hey guys, just a quick video for our vending machines and cool gadgets in Japan playlist. As you can see, this is a coin laundry. Coin laundries are pretty popular in Japan. People use them for their big items, usually for their futons and things, or bring their washing here when it's rainy weather or freezing weather outside. Quite often they'll have entertainment for people, so in the form of books and magazines and things like that, vending machines and things like that. This place has gone one step further. Have a look at this over here in the corner. Poker machines. Play the poker machines while you're waiting for your laundry, which is a pretty clever idea, isn't it? Of course, in Japan the law says you cannot win money directly from a poker machine, so usually pachinko parlors, as we've shown you previously, they usually get around that by you win a prize and then you take the prize to a little window and they give you cash for the prize, so you end up with cash in the end. In this case they're giving tokens. So if you win tokens, and then you can use those tokens to go and get some prize from some shop somewhere. So pretty clever, isn't it? Because obviously there's a lot of people sitting around the coin laundry with nothing to do, and there's a lot of people in Japan who do like a bit of a gamble. So clever, very clever, isn't it? Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.